giving the session and what details are required for UPI and how to find in Google Pay or GPay or PhonePay, BMAP, etc. How to install the GPay and creation of GPay. Okay, today I will cover these topics. Okay, first yeah, I think everyone know about the abbreviation of QR code. What is QR code? QR code is known as quick response. It will scan immediately within a second. We can see that QR code response in within a fraction of seconds. Okay? And it can be scanned with the camera or smartphones. Everyone are using the smartphones, right? Yeah, by just opening the smartphones and scan it, immediately the next procedure will come. There are two types of QR codes. Okay. One is static QR code. Another one is dynamic QR code. Static QR code it cannot be changed or edited once they are created. Nina, could you please meet them?
Yeah, Priyanka, I've done.
Yeah, thank you. This static QR code, we cannot change. We changed it. Okay, we cannot edit it. It is only generated by once. But dynamic QR code, we can editable. Okay, which allows user to modify the code actually. Okay. Do you have any doubts for this one? What is QR code? I think everyone know regarding this in grocery shop, medical shops, everywhere in cinema, theaters, everywhere you can find some QR code image. Okay. Yeah. What are the benefits of QR code? I'm telling you, there is a huge benefits of QR code. One is convenient for donors. It is especially for non-profits organization. Yeah, how it is convenient for donors. QR codes make it easy for donors to make a contribute to the charity. Donors simply need to scan the code with their smartphones, which takes them directly to the donation page. It is very simple step. And this eliminates the need for donors to manually enter their website address or manually enter their mobile number, bank details, IFSC code, or search for the organization online. It reduces the time also and increase the donations. How it is increased? The process is so simple. We can do within a fraction of seconds. The process is so simple, quick. More people are likely to take the time to make the contribution. Okay. If the process is very difficult, no one will like for that one. Okay. Improve donors experience. QR code provide a seamless and efficient experience for donors. This helps to build the trust. Trust is very important. We can build the trust by using this kind of features and a positive relationship between the charity and its supporters. And fourth one is increase exposure. QR codes can be used in a variety of ways to increase exposure for a charity or non-profit organization. For example, we can print it on the brochures. This kind of QR codes we can print it on the brochures, posters, in advertisement, or in T-shirts. If you arrange any events, we can post it on the boards, or we can post it on the T-shirts to make it easy for people to understand, to make a donation on the spot. Yes, this helps to reach more potential donors and raise more funds for the cause. These are some shortcuts we have to adopt these kind of shortcuts. And enhance the security. QR codes provide a secure method for processing the donations. How it is processing the donations? It is very, and you can see in WhatsApp encrypted option is there. Like this, the information entered by the donors is encrypted. Okay, encrypted means it is a security kind of things. Okay, no one will make the frauds and all. Making it difficult for fraudsters to access the sensitive information. Only you can access the donor's details. Okay. The next question is, what is UPI ID? Does anyone know about the UPI ID? You can tell me now. What is UPI ID?
For online money transfer.
Okay. UPI ID, also known as Unified Payment Interface. U means Unified Payment Interface ID. User can share their UPI ID instead of, I already told you, right? Instead of sharing the entire complete bank details, account details with the customers or family or donors, it takes too much of time. By using simply UPI ID, it is very easy process. Okay. Who started UPI ID? UPI has been developed by NPCI, the National Payments Corporation of India, regulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and it was launched by NPCI on 2016. Okay, and was publicly launched on 25th August 2016. And what are the examples of UPI ID? See, for example, I'm showing this one, Priyanka Jain @YBL, and the mobile number @OKHDFC. HDFC is the bank initial, YBL is the bank initial, Axis Bank, many kind of banks are there. Okay, later I will show the demo. Priyanka Jain can be your name, email address, or mobile number, anything. Okay, it is very simple. And @ and @HDFC, these are the bank's initials. Do you have any doubts? What are the details required for UPI ID? What are the documents we require for UPI ID? Means a bank account. Bank account must be there with the associated with the member bank. Your bank should allow you to use the UPI feature. Mobile number must be registered with your bank account. Yeah, mobile number always registered with the bank. You can get the messages from the bank, debited, credited amount. I think everyone seen that, right? Yeah. Yeah. The next thing is you find UPI ID in Google Pay. How to find the Google Pay? I hope everyone is using Google Pay, right? Please give the response here. Could you please tell all are using Google Pay, right? Okay. Open your Google, how to install GPay, and I will explain you right now. Yeah, this is the installation of GPay. It's loading. First step is in your Play Store apps, you need to install the Google Pay, and first open that one and install that one first, and later open the GPay app. Register select your languages first. Either you can choose English, Hindi, Kannada, etc. Yeah. Yeah, select your mobile number. This mobile number should be your bank registered mobile number. Yeah, it is linked with your Gmail. Select your Google account. It must be linked with the Google. Now GPay will verify your mobile number. Okay, you will get a OTP, 6-digit OTP. Don't share with anyone. Use your screen lock or use Google Pin. You can say, don't forget this one. Yeah, GPay will activate and click on add button account. Yeah, here you can find many banks, right? Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI, State Bank. Select anyone from your banks. Yeah, you will get a SMS for verification. Okay, that to your registered mobile number. Yeah, now you can see the bank account here. Tap to proceed. Click on proceed and also add your 6-digit ATM or debit card number and expiry date should be there. Okay. Yeah. Here you can see UPI ID. This is auto generated. Yeah. The next step is you have to set a PIN. You have to set.
Priyanka, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Please tell me.
I'm asking or clarifying, if anyone have NGO bank account is current account, they cannot get the ATM.
Yeah, that is okay, sir. For few organizations, they don't know how to use the QR codes and how to install the GPay, those things. And because of that reason, we are taking this session. Okay. If it is a savings account, we can generate this one. For a current account, I will tell the alternate solution for the QR code. Okay, at the end of the session. Okay. I hope this clears, right? Now you can share your to receive a money from the other UPI user, share UPI ID. No need to share a bank account.
Whatever you do, it's better with a website. Introducing
bank free campaign, we go about looking at how we can create additional UPI IDs on Google Pay. Now, you do understand that when you add a bank, you basically get a UPI ID. So a person can send money to you by either putting in your phone number, so your GPay phone number, or maybe your GPay UPI ID. Now, for the same bank account, you can have multiple UPI IDs, and I will show you today how to do that. So here inside GPay, I tap on my profile icon, I tap on bank account, and when I tap on the bank account, I can see the UPI ID that gets created by default. So this is created by default when I add the bank account. Now in case I have to create additional UPI IDs, what I can do is I can simply tap on it, and I can see that there are certain other UPI IDs which are also available. So from Axis, from HDFC Bank, from SBI. Although mine is an ICICI account, I can still have UPI IDs from all this supporting banks, and I simply need to tap on this plus icon and it will go ahead and search for the bank, its availability, the server thing, everything, and now you will see that I will have two UPI IDs associated with the same bank account. And it's not just that, I can have even one more. I can simply repeat the whole process, and if I now go back, you will see that I have two UPI IDs associated with the same bank account. So this is how simple it is. I mean, this is actually my primary bank account. So the primary bank account, when in case you have multiple bank accounts, if person sends money to me, it is in this account that it gets credited. If it sends money to my GPay number, so it will get credited to my ICICI account. Now I can very well change this, and I can make this bank my primary bank account, and again here as well I can go ahead and absolutely have another UPI ID for my other bank account as well. So this is how simple it is in case you are wondering on how you can have multiple UPI IDs for your same bank account. This is how simple it is. You can always at any point of time deactivate the UPI IDs as well. So it's very simple. And anytime you decide to unlink the bank account, all the UPI IDs associated with that bank account also get deactivated and delinked. So hopefully today's tutorial helps. In case it does, kindly consider subscribing. Also tap on the bell.
Yeah. Do you have any kind of doubts regarding this one? How to create a UPI ID, how to delete? Do you have any kind of doubts? Okay. Let's move on to the next item. Yeah, open Google Pay app. Click on the profile. Here you can see your profile photo. Open that one. Tap. You can see here. Okay. You can see your QR code. Click on that. Okay. Click on that. Yeah, you can see the default QR code here. You can also download this one. You can also send it to one in your team. Okay, and also you can tap three dots here. You can also change this kind of QR code. Yeah, click on that. Set an amount. Tap to set an amount. Yeah. For example, we are showing 10 rupees and tell some amount 10 or 100 rupees and click on OK. Yeah, your dynamic QR code is ready. By using Google Pay Big Map, you can change the QR codes. It is a dynamic one. Share this QR code with the payers. If you want to, you can also share with one in your team. You can also share with the donors. It is very impulsive, simple step. You can also using share with WhatsApp. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I hope this is clear, right? We'll go to the next video. Yeah. How to transfer money using UPI ID. First step is on your preferred UPI ID, UPI app, enter the response UPI ID, phone number or account number. Enter the amount to be transferred, how much amount you want to donate, enter that one, enter your UPI PIN to initiate the transaction. And later you can check the transaction history. This is the last step. Oh, sorry, I didn't share the screen.
Video we are going to see that if you're doing transaction using Google Pay application, then if you want to do a transaction using UPI ID in Google Pay application, then what are the steps you have to follow that I'm going to explain. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. To transfer money using UPI ID in Google Pay application, you have to open the application first. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. So on home screen itself, there are multiple payment methods over here. So as you can see, it has scan QR payment, pay contact, by phone number, bank transfer, UPI ID, self transfer, and bill payment and mobile recharge. So we have to select UPI ID option, which is pay.
Here you can see pay to UPI ID. This is our main focus. Okay.
To UPI ID. So we have to select that option. After that, on the next page, you have to enter UPI ID over here. For example, if I'm transferring an amount to my friend's account, so I have to enter his UPI ID over here, and then I have to click on continue. So once you enter the UPI ID, all you have to do is you have to click on continue at the bottom. Now, once it has verified the account, you can check the account details. Now you have to click on pay option, which is at the bottom. Once it is done, now you have to enter the amount. So for testing purpose, I'm entering amount over here. In note, you can add any message if you want to. So I'm entering test because I'm doing this for testing purpose. So you can check out the details over here. You can check out the UPI ID to whom you're transferring the amount. And once everything has been verified, everything has been done, you have to click on tick mark sign over here. So then you can see you get an option to choose your account from which you want to pay the money. So if you have added multiple accounts, as you can see, I have added 2 accounts. If I want to change it, I'll just simply tap on another bank account I have selected, and then I'll click on pay option. On the next page, we have to enter 6-digit UPI PIN to complete the transaction. And as you can see, the payment has been done. So if you want to check out the payment details, all you have to do is you have to just click over there, and here you can check out the UPI transaction and all the necessary details which you want to check. All the details are available on this page. So these are the simple steps you have to follow if you want to transfer money using UPI ID in Google Pay application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with
Yeah. I think every topics I have covered. How to place the QR code after you receive the QR code from the bank or etc. You need to add into your website, right? I will show some example of websites. You can also send your QR code. You have to visit the bank and ask for the QR code. We require QR code for website. You need to check. You can also take the screenshot of this one. Let me show you. Yeah. This is the website, sangameshwara.1ngo website. Yeah, you can see the URL lakshmivenkateshwara.1ngo.in. Yeah, in the website, here you can see donate now button. You click on this one. Yeah, here you can see the QR code, right? South Indian Bank. The NGO visited the bank and a request for the QR code to update on the website. You can also visit the website and request them for QR code. They will send via email within 2 to 3 days. Okay. Here I'm showing another example. Yeah, this is from Karnataka Gramina Bank. Okay. Yeah, sangameshwara.1ngo.in. This is the another example. They collected from 2 banks. One is IDBI and another one is the KVG Bank. Here, do you have any kind of doubts, sir or madam? After collecting the QR code, you need to send to this particular contact number. This is my contact number. It's my mail ID, priyanka@1ngo.in. Okay. Any kind of doubt, sir, madam? Hello. Nina, I think it's over.
Yeah, Priyanka, if anybody is having any doubt, you can ask them, ask Priyanka and clear it off regarding your UPI or QR code, anything.
Yeah, please ask any kind of doubts. Okay, Nina, are you launching the poll?
Yeah. I think so. As there is no doubt, shall I launch the poll then, Priyanka?
Yes, Nina.
Okay. So I have launched the poll. I hope you can see 2 questions in your screen. So please give your feedback so that we can improve in the coming sessions.